Okay, I just drove my daughter to school and saw our nest and our tree had fallen out there, and I thought I saw a little bird. Oh my gosh, there they are. Oh, there they are. There's the little birdies. Okay, they're gonna be okay. They have fluff and feathers and stuff, and I just read online that if they have feathers, then they're gonna be okay, as long as cats don't get them, and we have cats around here, so let's see how they do. I'm not sure what to do here. Ava, do you see the little birdies? Yeah. They gotta be scared out of their minds. My little birdies. They were just born about a week and a half ago. Okay, well, I don't know what to do here. Guess let's just hope they're okay. They're cute little things. I just saw the mom drop some food off to one of them as I was leaving, so I guess we'll see what happens. I'm gonna put the bird nest back up, see if it stays. The wind must have blown it down. Okay, there's the mom over there. That's the mommy bird. She's got a worm for her little babies. There she goes. We might be scaring her because we're kind of close. Yep. There she is. Go ahead, mommy. Give your babies your food. Oh, look, there's another one. I hope that's a friendly bird. Is that daddy?
It's daddy.
Or maybe that's mommy. Go ahead, guys, give them food. There we go. Yes, give them food. Give them food. We're not gonna hurt you. Oh, look at the little birdies.
Birdie.
Look at the good. You gave them food. Yay! Yeah. Yeah. Oh, they're happy. They like that. Good job, parent. And just pick something up and dropped it off. Is that silly?
Yeah.
Yeah. There's the bird hanging out on top of the house over there. Top of the house, yep. Okay, the little birds are now back in their nest. We put the nest back up, and even with the wind it seems to be holding okay. And there they are. Hi, birdies. Now they'll grow up to live a long life and poop on my car.